After Mawelele posted his girlfriend on Valentine's Day, social media quickly connected the dots and noticed that Naledi Aphiwa seemed to respond in a rather unexpected way. Shortly after his romantic post went live, Naledi shared a picture of a weird cartoon character and compared it to herself, and that's when things got messy online. Many social media users felt the post was unnecessary and accused her of throwing shade, while others defended her, saying people might be reading too much into it. As the screenshots started circulating, timelines were divided, with some saying she should have just ignored the situation and others arguing that she has every right to express herself however she wants. Now fans are watching closely to see whether this is just a coincidence, harmless fun, or the beginning of unexpected drama. Now, Mzansi, what do you think about this video? Do you think Naledi was throwing shade at Mawele's girlfriend, or she was just joking around? Please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.